good. On that time, you don't need to spend extra time. Let's last one, delete, regress delete API, delete feature. So delete feature, you can say that. So that delete feature, you can copy paste. Create a new file. So file and file name is same, follow the same naming convention, regress. So delete API dot feature. So I'm just following the same naming conventions, how I have used, and then copy paste from here our feature file. So this is the feature file, right? So same feature file I can control here. This one. So delete it. So 204 and you're going to get. So the same thing you can generate the TD Gherkin. So let's go and generate the TD Gherkin. So you'll get the thing and create the stepdefinition file for this. So delete API, right? Delete API. Just so delete API, create, right click, new class, just new class you create. So delete API test. API test. So click on finish. So do the same thing. Extends test base and import this test base from the base package. And there's no response here, right? You don't need to return the response because we are not getting, but maybe status code purpose you can do that. Status code you have to get right. So that status code purpose you can declare response rest. So you declare, and this is from io.restassured.response. So the proper package, otherwise it will throw error for you. And copy paste this all Gherkin code. This is called Gherkin code. This is called Gherkin code. So all these terminologies you must use so that it will be, good. It will create a good impression in the interviews also. Even when, then see this mapping with the feature file step is exactly same here. You're putting in the stepdefinition file. That mapping is happening. So that it will understand which step you are implementing. In the step definition, what we are doing, we are implementing that step. We are giving a definition for that step. That's what we are doing here. Okay, please understand what we are doing in the step definition, what we are doing in the feature files. So that is a very important. Get the difference. Feature file, we are defining our steps. Step definition file, we are implementing that step, the logic you are writing for that step. So that is what we are doing, guys. So this is the one you have to understand. So, and similar, let's go and do the delete API. The same, right? Delete API means what is the delete API endpoint? So delete API, this is the delete API /2. You're giving a /2, right? So that you have to give. So definitely in the delete method, when you are calling delete method, you have to give that. So same way how we have given. So three users we have, but same you have to copy paste that. So just copy this one. The same, this is the same. This all you will write in the reusable methods in the utility class. Set URL, set base URL, set base path. All this you will give. So you will create a method. Methods you will call here. Utility class, you tell the same structure. In the utility class, we have a reusable method for setting the base URL and base path, and then So reading the JSON files and different, validating the response body and all these, reusable methods we have in the utility class, utility package. And then you can say log files are generating another folder. You can tell this is the structure you can explain in the interview also. So we are using a form.xml, all this, you can explain that. Yeah, this is how you can so do the same thing. So response. So let's do that. Response equal to RestAssured dot given. So you can do that. The given step after you have headers, right? Headers. So you can give all these headers. I'll just copy from there. Okay, I don't want to waste time. Let's go and copy from there. For this you don't have body. Okay, for this you don't have body. Delete. For delete method you don't have body. Please catch that. For delete you don't have a. Okay, for delete you don't have any body. Dot when dot delete method. So delete method you can give so the URI that is, so which one you are deleting /2. So the second user I am deleting dot then. So then method dot, you can give all the, so extract directly, you can call extract if you want, extract dot response. That's it. This is how you can develop the code for this. Given you are getting all the values, little bit I'll just move so that these are all given place, and when place this is the delete method. Okay, and then place. So these are the things. So you can see the very clearly. One is a precondition. Precondition means request body, request headers you are supplying. When means the action, the delete action is going on. Then means the validation. You are getting a response. So validate that. So validate with data table concept because you are given a data table. Because you are giving here the delete, delete. You're asking to validate 204. You are asking to validate this 204. So we are validating that 204. So getting from that place table, you can get all the data as it is. So fetch the response code. So int rest code equal to rest dot get status code. So get status code. Import the data table. io.cucumber.data table. And then if you want, I can print this. So delete API response status code is rest code. So data table concept you can implement. If you want me to write, I'll write implement. So the list of string. So you can write ls equal to, so tbl dot as list method. This one. So import this. If you want step by step, we want to go and implement this. Is data table logic we are implementing, and I'm going to so get the expected response code. What is my expected response code? I'm expecting 204. This is my expected response code. This is the expected value. And actual value? Actual value you are getting from here, this one. So both you compare it. Assertions dot assert equals of, so get that value. So what is the value you need to get? So integer wrapper class dot parseInt of, so what is the parseInt value? ls dot get of, so the get of 0, right? Then this value. So then this value, actual value. This is the actual value. That's it. Done. Now you can run this test case. See, all are done. Maven build. So let's go to this report. So let's go to the report. So total 48, before 44, right? 48 now. So go to the report. Even you can see the report under target folder. We kept in the target folder, right? There also you can observe that. And then I'll show you tags. So last concept tags, how to use the tags. Then we can close for the day. So perfectly we are done. See, 100% passed. 10 executed, 10 passed. See the last one. See, this is not request delete away here on the top. So this one 204. Okay, so this is the complete report you are getting, and so if you want, you can make it fail, one fail, and you can see. Suppose you are giving a wrong one. Okay, so I'll make it fail. So let's fail this. Let's fail this. In the delete, I'll give 200. Okay, 200 I'm expecting, but there you will get a 204. You will get, right. See, now the test case will fail. Now what is the, see how it is going to be Maven build. Even failure also I want to show. So let's see the report. Failure, assertion failure we will get. See, the build is failed. You got a build failure. See, build failure. So before it was failures to failures it is showing, but see that now let's go and take this report. So take this report. So, and you can see the report. See, one failed. So 90% passed. 9 passed, 1 failed. So you can see failed one here. See that. Is this enough or not? You see that. Is this enough or not? See, assertion failed error. Expected 200, but was 204. That means your actual response status score is 204. But you are validating 200. That's why you are getting this wrong and failed. That step is failed. One step failed. Clear? So that's the how you can validate. So, but I'll correct this 204 properly. So this is how you can validate. So all the things. So that's a delete method also done. The last one I'll cover